Okay, so we're going to run through how to set up a Hager 618 in Quick Run. We'll also go through some other settings when we get there. So on here we've different levels of access. So what we're going to go through is administrator, which can be edited for your own facility when you want to. So in this case we'll enter our password as 1 and we'll come into our landing screen where we have Quick Run, programs which are saved, admin and exit. So in this case, for this particular program, we'll go into Quick Run. We'll now turn on the machine. You'll see we're in manual mode. We've done our safety check. The machine is not at top of stroke. So we'll press the up pedal to make sure that the machine goes to top of stroke. And we'll select our fastener. We'll go steel, because we're into a steel panel. FH, metric, M3. We'll press OK, and we have a predetermined force that's called out in the PEM catalogue for this fastener. This force is adjustable up and down and does depend on the steel that you're installing the fastener into. We also have dwell. In this case it's set to 0, not required for this particular application. And up travel is only available in manual mode, and we'll see that when the ram is travelling. I'll actually reduce it so that you can see that the ram will stop lower down and we'll increase our productivity. We'll see the setup stroke is flashing red, which is required when we do a setup, when we do an installation for the very first time. So we'll carry that out on this panel. We'll press the down foot pedal and we'll hold the down pedal. The safety sensors will trip. We'll now press the foot pedal a second time and hold, and we'll do our install. We'll check to make sure that the fastener is installed correctly. If we're happy that the fastener is installed correctly, we'll press OK. If we're happy with the force that's applied, we'll also press OK. And we're now ready to install more fasteners. So I'll install a second one. I'm now going to reduce the up travel to 30%, and we'll see that the ram will actually stop after we do our install. The ram will stop further down in the stroke. And this is a way, when you're manually installing fasteners, that you can increase your productivity, because the ram doesn't have to travel from the home position all the time.